you are looking for something that would help you grow back your hair or grow your edges, I'm recommending fenugreek, using it in different ways. In this video, we are using it as a spray. If you are new to the channel, guys, do well to subscribe. I've been using DIY for my hair, and I'll say it's the best investment you can ever do for your hair. So let's start it. Let's start off with the fenugreek seed. This is the main seeds that I recommend for you. If you have dandruff, fenugreek seed is a fighter. If you want to grow your hair, fenugreek seed is the best boost you can ever use. Because you are using it as a spray, you only need just water for this treatment. So when you get your fenugreek seeds ready, and then you infuse it in the water of your choice. So I like to use hot water so that the infusion is a bit faster. Like you just add water, just like you're making yourself a good tea for your hair. It's like a scalp tonic for your hair. You infuse it with your hot water, you allow it to sit for a while, and then you strain it for use. Yes, so I like to do this in small quantities so that I'm not overwhelming myself so much to use everything at once. Yeah, I don't know if you get me. So instead of using the entire, let's say, bottle, do an entire 500 ml bottle, 250 ml bottle, I like to do, let's say, 50 ml or 100 ml, so it's able to last for about 3 days without it going bad or without it losing its potency. Yes, so fenugreek seeds is rich in nutrients that are able to enrich the hair follicles and feed the roots. Yes, and you know that our hair, just like our bodies, need nutrients to grow, and fenugreek tea is the best thing you can ever put on your hair. So you can see this is my small spray bottle. I'll be using it on my hair. Like you see, I'm in braids, and if you watch my videos, you notice I posted that my edges were vanishing. They were running away from me, so I'm trying to regrow them with natural ingredients. So yes, I spray them on my scalp. Since this is a scalp strengthening tea, I spray it on my scalp and then focus on my edges as well. You know, there's no hair treatment without massage. If you put any product on your hair without massaging it, you've actually done nothing to your hair. So every time you put a product on your hair, you have to massage it in. You have to massage everything in so that it works faster for you, or it works better for you. Yes, so I like to do this on freshly washed hair. That is if I want to do a scalp rinse, so that as soon as I wash my hair, I just rinse it on my scalp. But this one is like a scalp tea or hair tea, so your hair doesn't necessarily need to be washed before applying it. Yes, fenugreek seeds, it's more potent if it's in its powdered form, but if you put it in powder form, straining it is more difficult. That's if you want to use it as spray. But if you want to use it as oil, you can just put it in powdered form and infuse it into your oil of choice. Yes, so guys, this is the herbs, or this is the type of herbs that I recommend for you if you want to grow your hair. If you are dealing with dandruff, this is also a good bet. You notice that I always come here that I used to have dandruff. It hasn't been long, but now this hair is like a week or 10 days, and there's no dandruff on my scalp. Usually I used to have like dandruff within 3 days or 4 days of washing my hair, but now it's been 10 days and you can't see any single flake on my scalp. And I'll say this thanks to the herbs I've been using on my hair. Yes, you can use this as a moisturizer. Moisturizer is something you use to moisturize your hair. You know, when you braid your hair, it dries out very quickly. And I forgot to mention, fenugreek is high in protein, and because of its potency in having protein, it dries the hair quickly. So when you do this, you have to follow up with your butter, your leave-in, your oil, in order to seal in the moisture. You do not leave it just the fenugreek seeds, the tea on your hair like that. You are going to, dry your hair out. As soon as the tea dries, your hair is going to go back to even being drier than it used to be. So I recommend that you do this, and then you spray your hair with leave-in spray or hair oil of your choice, and you're going to like it. But then if you don't have hair oil or leave-in, just use your normal shea butter. It's going to give you the same benefit that you get if you use leave-in conditioner. Yes, so how often should you use this? You should use this as often as you want, but then fenugreek seeds is high in protein. I don't want you to have protein overload, so let's do it 3 times a week. 3 times a week is very, very good for your hair. So let's do this fenugreek seeds thrice a week, and then follow up with our leave-in conditioner or our hair butter or hair oil. Yes, I mentioned that if you put anything on your hair without massaging it in, you have basically done nothing to your hair. So when you are done, you have to give yourself a very, very good massage. Yes, one of the secrets to hair growth, I would like to just chip it in this video, is deep conditioning your hair. Like, I always want to mention this: deep conditioning your hair. You can use fenugreek seeds for anything, in my opinion. You can use it for your hair tea, you can use it as a deep conditioner, you can also use it as your hair oil. In using it as your deep conditioner, you have to boil the fenugreek seeds very well until it's very soft, and then you blend it and strain it. Fenugreek seeds is naturally a bit slimy, so it's able to detangle your hair very well and strengthen your hair very, very well. Like, yes, so deep conditioning your hair with fenugreek seeds is very good, but then I mentioned that it's high in protein, so you don't have to do it every day, you don't have to do it as often as you want. Say with deep conditioning, you can just do it once a month. That is if you want to use fenugreek as a deep conditioner. So guys, this is it. This is the video. Let me know what you think. Have you used fenugreek seeds before? Have you struggling with hair growth that you don't know what to do? I would recommend fenugreek seeds. Either use it as an oil, as your deep conditioner, or as hair tea in this video. I have different videos on this page tackling different challenges, whether it's hair breakage, whether it's hair loss, whether it's scalp inflammation, like any issue that you have, you can just go through my page and then pick a thing or two and then you do it on your hair. Yes, so I'll be doing this particular tea I've done. I'm using it for an entire week because it's high in protein. I'm not going to use it every day, and I don't want my scalp to be clogged, so I use it 3 times in a week so that I get the goodies right in the correct proportion. I don't overload my scalp with protein, which will eventually break my hair really bad. Yeah, so guys, this is where I'll be ending my video. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. I'm starting a Christmas upload, where I'll be uploading every day throughout the month of December. So from the 1st to the 31st. So the 1st, I had a challenge with my internet, so I couldn't do the upload, but then let's say I'm starting on the 2nd, and then I'm going to upload every day throughout the month of December. I'll be giving you general tips that you can use on your hair to help promote your hair growth. By the end of January, by the end of 2024, we will have the adequate knowledge to take care of our hair in 2025. Yes, so thank you so much for sticking to this end. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you learned a thing or two about using fenugreek on your hair. And I'll see you in my next video. Do well to binge watch my Christmas episodes on hair care. You're going to love it. My name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, if this is the first time you're seeing my face, please do well to click on the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I make an upload. Yes, especially during this Christmas festive season, that I'll be giving you daily uploads for your hair care journey. Bye.